Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add Zoom meeting to Outlook calendar. So very first thing you need to do is to just open Outlook web and log in with your account. Then open Zoom, and just here we need to sign up with the account. So just click on sign up if you haven't already. I'm gonna log in here by using my Microsoft account. Once your Zoom account is open, we're gonna schedule a meeting. So for that, just click on schedule, enter the topic name for your meeting. I'll just type test. If you want to add description for this, you can click on add description option, and also when you want to hold this meeting, you can just choose that from here. Choose the time like this, and you can choose the duration here, and just fill all the information according to your need. Once you do that, just click on save. Then you're gonna see window like this where we have this option add to. So you have three options: Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Yahoo Calendar. Because we wanna add this to our Outlook calendar, we're gonna select this option, and they're gonna download ICS file onto your computer. So the file is successfully downloaded to the computer. We can get back to our Outlook account, and just right here we need to choose this option here, calendar. Click on add calendar option, click on upload from file, browse, and just choose that file which we have downloaded to the computer. This is the one, so just double click on that. Here you need to choose the calendar where you wanna add this meeting. I'm gonna select this calendar here, click on import. Now you can just close this and see whether the meeting is added or not. Here you can see that they have successfully added the meeting, and that's exactly how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.